if your phone is lost or stolen and you want to blacklist the IMEI number, the video for today is going to be very interesting and helpful because I'm going to give you a proper suggestion on how you could use Google to do that. So if you're watching my video for today, I'm very sorry about the fact that you may have misplaced your phone and you are wanting to go ahead and block the IMEI number. That's a good thing to do. But before you actually block the IMEI number, what I would hope is that you have already filed in a missing complaint to the police and you have a copy of the missing complaint. That's the first thing what you need to do once you realize your phone is lost or stolen. Then you could go ahead and put in attempts to, block your IMEI number. Now, let me be straight. Google Find Hub cannot go ahead and blacklist your IMEI number. It could go ahead and, ring your phone. If it is in silent mode, it could go ahead and block your phone. Putting in a pin, it could go ahead and format your Google data on your phone if it is online and stuff like that. But it cannot go ahead and blacklist your phone directly. You need to get that or understand that. So what is the correct way to blacklist your phone using Google? So Google cannot actually directly go ahead and blacklist your phone. It could give you suggestions. So you could do a Google search for maybe your network provider's website. So if it is Vodafone, you could do a search for Vodafone, get to the website to see if there is a service out here to blacklist your phone for your location. It may just be possible. We never know. Apart from this, you could also go ahead and directly call up your network service provider. Some of these network service providers that we may be using could have a tie-up with satellite companies or emergency services. So they could actually go ahead and not just blacklist your phone, but also communicate the same with these companies or departments so that they could go ahead and do a bigger broadcast of your phone being lost or stolen. So when you do so, if the thief is trying to re-register a SIM, it is going to show up as blacklisted. So I hope this information was useful and you got some value through my video for today. If you have any further questions, I'm all ears. Please send me an email or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.